Let's walk through connecting your eLocate to Google Maps using your Google Maps API key. This helps your store locator display maps and provide accurate location information to your customers. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Now, let's get started. From eLocate, open Settings, then go to the General tab. If you already have a Google Maps API key, copy it from your Google Cloud Console and paste it into the Google Maps API key field. Then click Save, and you're good to go. If you don't have one yet, click the Google Maps API key guide beside the field. Once you're on the page, go to the Get a Standard API Key section and follow the steps to create your API key for your store locator. Once your API key is ready, copy it and return to eLocate. Then, paste your API key into the Google Maps API key field. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your Google Maps API key is now connected to eLocate, so your store locator can use Google Maps for its map and location features. If you need help creating your Google Maps API key, please reach out to our support team. If you need a hand at any point, just click Get Help in the top right corner to access Epic's support resources. And if you have a question or would like a personalized walkthrough, just email us at support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help.